Welcome back to Like Sisters. My name's Sarah. Today we're gonna try another experiment. And for this experiment, we need some soda and vinegar and some food coloring. So I'm gonna be opening our soda.
And you need 2 spoons of soda.
Three spoons if it's less, and I'm gonna. That's enough. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then in the end I'll see.
You guys don't have to choose our color red. You can choose whatever color.
Yeah, you can use that. So you can use food coloring for the colors. So the colors we're doing are red, orange, yellow, green, and pink. And a little bit more. Side. Now we're gonna keep adding. Sorry that the soda's everywhere. Okay, now we take vinegar and we're going to use this. I'm gonna be mixing things together like that. So you mix them so you can see the thing better.
If you want it to be colorful, you just make food color, but if you don't, you don't.
But we would recommend you guys using food coloring because then you can see the thing better.
The color. Okay. Now let's put
Vinegar. We're gonna put like 2 spoons of vinegar. Or 1 is. Okay, that's enough.
you guys could see.
So guys, this is how vinegar and soda is not healthy for your body too. So you guys can try this at home and you can see it's so cool.
It's like soup, it's like bubbling.
Yeah.
Look at this one, the yellow one, and
Yeah, they're already starting to just bubble up. It's so cool.
the pink one doesn't have enough.
So well, it might be coming up.
What happens if you touch it?
I don't know. Do you want to touch it?
I don't know. Look at that. It's getting cooler. It's getting more. Guys, look, the pink one is exploding.
Yeah, it's getting So that's how it looks. You should guys, I would recommend that you guys trying this. It's really